spirits. Isithunywa khehla lami is a Holy Spirit. A spirit ehlanjululiwe to a degree that it can be used for holy work. Umsebenzi wokulapha, umsebenzi wokuthandaza, umsebenzi wokufundisa amaqiniso awasesibhakabhakeni, universal truths. Isithunywa khehla comes in various types. Unesithunywa sasentabeni.
Okay.
Abantu abanesithunywa sasentabeni usually kuzomele baye entabeni ukuthi bayokhuleka ukuthi bathole amandla. Kunesithunywa sasemanzini. Abantu abanezithunywa zasemanzini kumele baye emanzini ukuthi bayokhuleka kube abantu abahlanzekile abagezekile. Hhayi ukuthi nina enesithunywa sasentabeni akumelanga nigeze. Hygiene is very important. And then you have isithunywa sasesibhakabhakeni, heavenly angels. Now you must understand ukuthi even there kunento